G'day guys, Mick here. So recently I pulled out a call through my 5-minute yarns to ask for more questions and topics and that to discuss in the 5-minute yarns, because to be honest I've been running a bit low. So if you do have one, please put it in the comments below. I got a couple of responses. I'm actually recording this on the morning of that release. So far I've had 2 responses, which is better than nothing. First one was from Unpro Adventures about my leather jacket. Steve, as I said, mate, it's really not worth a 5-minute yarn on that one, but I don't think that is real leather. I'm pretty sure it's fake, and I got it free on Marketplace, so I'm not expecting real leather. I do, however, own a full-length leather trench coat, Australian leather, and I do have another leather jacket, but the guts kind of outgrown both of them, really. But yeah, the topic I want to do today is camp cooking. This one was sent to me by RW, so I'm not 100% sure who that is. I think I know, but not 100% sure. Anyway, camp cooking. The question in general asked about camp oven damper. Well, to be honest, I've never cooked in a camp oven. I do own one, but I haven't used it, so I really can't tell you anything in regard to camp oven cooking. If you want to learn more about that, I suggest you follow Harry from Fire to Fork. Strongly recommend his videos, and yeah, definitely he's the go-to when it comes to, I think, all campfire cooking in general. He's bloody awesome. So yeah, Harry from Fire to Fork, check him out. As for me personally, and I'd like everybody to comment below on what you guys do and prefer when you go cooking. Me personally, I take a single burner gas cooker, and that it's fine to boil some water if I need to do veggies or something like that, a bit of pasta or whatever. If I'm going to be lazy and pre-prepare meals before I go, I'll wrap them up, I'll put them in a Ziploc bag, and I'll just boil them to reheat them over the gas cooker. Personally, I much prefer cook over the fire. I do have one of those cheap crappy King's barbecue grills, and look, they're cheap, crappy, nasty, but they bloody do the job. And where I can, that's what I cook on. Much rather the taste, that smoky taste through my food. I don't like using the hot plate side, I like using the grill side. But yeah, that's me personally. I much rather cook over hot plate. You'll see in the, or would have seen in my family Christmas getaway video, we did dirty steak, where you cook the steak straight on the grill, on the coals. There's no hot plate, no foil, no nothing, just dropped literally straight on the coals. It is bloody delicious. And if done right on really hot coals, you don't get that horrible, you don't get the grit of the charcoal and everything else. So yeah, that's my campfire cooking and my camp cooking in general. And morning, mate.
Morning, mate.
Yeah, that's my campfire cooking and everything in general, guys. I'd much rather cook over the fire, but obviously in all states you have times where there's fire restrictions. So a single gas cooker, just the little butane ones, works well. And more than anything, guys, I take it so I can boil the water in the morning to make me coffee. Takes up a lot of space, it's a pain in the ass,
And because it is,
but it does the job for me. So look, if you guys have got any recipes or anything like that you'd like to see me try, especially for a damper, I really do look forward to doing that in the camp oven. I just haven't had the opportunity yet. As much as I get it, I try to get out as much as I can. You know, things are limited, and I haven't been out, so I haven't really used it. I only got the camp oven for Christmas too, so, and a lot of the times when it comes to the camp oven, for me, that's something that's going to be a pretty big meal. So when I'm going solo, I don't think it's really worth using the camp oven. But again, you know, I'm looking forward to trying it. Looking forward to cooking up a decent meal and stew or something like that in there, and a damper and everything else. But at this point in time, it hasn't happened. So, all right, guys, that's 5 minutes. I'm going to cut it. So, take care, peace, and as always, I'll see you on the tracks.